Hi there. Here we have a KTM, absolute stunning bike. It's been very well cared for, well serviced. It says an SMT 990. It's got 990 there, SMT. If you look at the seat and everything, it's absolutely spotless conditions. And 15,000 miles. Now I know very little about bikes. I do really enjoy them. I like to ride them, but cars is my thing. However, I am very tempted with this one. It's got like a nice pearl. I don't know if you can tell. It's got like a real sort of pearl in the paint there with the sun on it. Drives very well, from my limited experience. These panniers here, I have pictured with them. You can just literally do a pull that out and they slide off. In the panniers, you've got your KTM toolkit under the seat. When that opens, you've got the original levers there, the brake levers, because this has got these uprated levers. Don't know why they do that, but apparently they do. And I think you can adjust it for little hands there, so my valeter tells me. The screen's all good. I'll start it up in a minute and just show you on the video. Got that WP suspension. It means nothing to me, but it might do to you guys. 990 Supermoto LC8. The radiator looks in good order. And you've got the Brenbo brakes and Brenbo wheels, which is stamped in them somewhere on the back. Easy to show you on those. You've got the, what's those, Sport Max tyres, Dunlop front and back. Let's zip that back up. Easy, got the place for a top box. Right, the exhaust, SBK written on that. I don't know if that's standard or uprated or whatever, I really don't know. I'm very ignorant on these. So we have the Brenbo brakes there. Sport Max tyres, Dunlop. Very, very nice actually. If you look on the back there, you've got the Brenbo. We've got the Brenbo brakes, we've got the Brenbo wheels. KTM. So because I know nothing, I'm kind of trying to show you everything, so you can answer your own questions, hopefully. You've got these on, roller skate wheels. I'm not sure what the term for those would be. The battery's all good on it actually, but I've just ordered a new battery for it, thinking it would be wrecked, and it isn't. It still charges, but we'll put the new one on anyway. I know the guy who owned it owns the MOT station by us. We've had a couple of things off him like this in the past. Always looks after everything, very rarely uses it. He just cleans them, services them, pride and joy. WD-40s them down every time he uses it, which is usually on a Sunday afternoon. And other than that, in fine weather, doesn't really use it. And then gets bored, buys something else and sells them to me. Right, so you have, try and zoom in on that, some rebound plus and minus. Again, I know very little about all that. Like I said, those levers there, the original levers are in this box here. So now I shall start it. So there we go. 15,663 miles. Sounds lovely. I'm not sure how you pick it up on the camera, but in person sounds really well. You can really feel the blast coming from the back of those exhausts when you walk around the back of it, and that's on tick over. Turn that off. When you're these are so easy to remove, and I quite like the look of them. Quite a useful size that you can get your helmet in them. Oh, and there's all some bags and stuff in this side as well, KTM bags. I think that's the helmet cover, again KTM. And then under this side, under this netting, which the other one has netting as well, there are these two bags. Not really sure what these are for, but they've got KTM embossed on them somewhere. Like I say, the original KTM toolkit's under that seat as well, which I won't try and get off whilst holding a phone one-handed. KTM. So thank you for looking. I'll put what I can in the advert, but don't shout at me if I miss stuff, because I don't know. I'm just going around videoing everything, hoping the people who know will work it out themselves. But thank you for looking. Give Wayne a call on 07970 701166. I'm now going to get it past my mother, so it's going in the lounge, because I think it's alright. I thought it looks lovely. She won't be happy, but nothing new there. So thank you for looking.